To record a screen on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, first we need to swipe our finger from top of the screen, then swipe down again on the quick icons panel right there and scroll down looking for the screen recorder. If you cannot find it, then click on the pen button and select edit and find the available buttons screen recorder and bring it up there. Then finally, when we have it, we can go back and click on the screen recorder app and customize all of the settings. So start recording with a screen recorder, and you can change if you want to record a sound with no sound, with media sounds, and with media and your microphone. When you're ready, you can click on start recording. There will be a countdown that you can also skip, and then when it starts recording, you can see the time below this toolbar, which also allows you to customize different settings for that screen recording. You can always stop it by clicking on the stop button, or just pause it for a moment or for how much long you want, and then begin recording back again. Finally, let's stop it, and our screen recording is saved.